So I just got to the pool for swimming lessons, but I wanted to start my like car tour kind of thing now because I wanted to start with getting gas in my car and like washing my car, just because that's what you should do. And I'm gonna clean out my car, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you how dirty it is right now. Here we have a ton of clothes. I just got this from Lydia's closet declutter. Go check that out on her channel, but those are the clothes I got from her. And then I have this Dunkin' frozen lemonade cup in here, that's Parker's, and I have my Starbucks reusable cup in here from this morning. Then I just have some garbage on the floor and up here. And then over here is pretty clean, obviously, because that's where I sit. My back seat's pretty clean. I just have my cheer bag and my little backpack in there. And then I just have a receipt and some McDonald's cups from yesterday, and the trunk is where it really gets bad. This is Bailey's comforter that I have to wash. Bailey's like little bucket that she wanted me to take home. And there's a suitcase from Spain. And then I have my softball bag, which I need to get out because the season's over, so. But that is the current state of my car. And so I'm gonna wash it after the baseball game tonight, and then I'm going to get gas in it. And then probably tomorrow morning, I'll start like cleaning it out. And then after I clean it out, I'll just show you guys like where I put some stuff and all that. And it's like a new car, so like it's pretty clean. I've just made it dirty, so. Okay, so finished work and I went to the baseball game, and now we're gonna go get a car wash and get gas in my car, so yeah. But now that I washed my car and got gas in it, it's time to start cleaning it out. And so I'm just gonna start doing that.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Fair cause the flame won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. You walk by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So this is the outside of it. This is what it looks like on the outside. It's a bit dirtier since I got it washed. So I'm trying not to get the license plate in it. But yeah. So these are my keys for my car. I don't know if you guys really care about this, but I just have like this thing. I don't know. Can't think of the word right now. And then I have my car chapstick. Not my car chapstick. My chapstick holder that Brooke made me. And I have my den thing. And I have the key to my house, then some pepper spray, you know, just in case. But yeah, these are my keys. I literally have nothing in the back seat anymore, and it's all clean. And there are no clothes, so that's awesome. We'll make our way back to the trunk now. The most stuff in here. So I have my cheer shoes here in this little, I don't know, kind of compartment thing. And then I have this blanket for baseball games to sit on. And then this is like my summer bag that has everything I'll need in it if I like spontaneously go somewhere. So I have an extra shirt, an extra pair of pants, a swimsuit, bra, underwear, and then I have an extra phone charger because you need one of those. nose and a scrunchie. So I have all of that in here ready for me to use if I ever need it. The trunk looks all nice now. I got my softball bag out. I got my cheer bag out because all I had in it was this and my bloomers. So it was kind of unnecessary to have a whole bag in there when I didn't need really anything that was in it. So, okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more now, so you should subscribe to see those. And yeah, give this video a like, and yeah, see you next time.